Pet strollers come in handy for pushing around a sick, old, or injured pet. They are also helpful for pets who need to spend more time outside because they are overweight or suffer from anxiety and depression. In addition, pet strollers are a great asset for people who have more than one pet, live in a city, or like to go hiking. Pets are secure inside a stroller, reducing worries about walking with multiple leashes or crossing the street through traffic. There are many products available to choose from. Best pet strollers for dogs, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best pet strollers for dogs from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Petgear No Zip Happy Trails Pet Stroller. The Happy Trails Pet Stroller has some of the best user reviews on the market, and it's easy to see why. The lightweight, 13 pounds, 4-wheel frame doesn't require any tools for assembly, and is a snap to set up. It's also easy to transport and store thanks to a one-hand quick fold mechanism. The hassle-free, no-zip wide opening makes putting your pet in and out as stress-free as possible. Once inside, pets happily ride along while enjoying panoramic windows, mesh ventilation, a sun canopy, and an elevated paw rest. Made with 600 denier water-resistant fabric and a washable, removable liner, the stroller withstands rain and pet messes. The 6-inch EVA plastic wheels are suitable for casual walks on hard surfaces. The Happy Trails Pet Stroller is the best pet stroller for cats and dogs up to 30 pounds, and comes in emerald, pink, and sapphire color options. Number 2. Petgear No Zip Expedition Pet Stroller. The best pet stroller for large dogs is the No Zip Expedition Pet Stroller by Petgear. It's one of the few pet strollers for dogs suitable for animals weighing up to 150 pounds. The dual entry openings make it convenient to load pets of various ages and ability levels through either the front or rear openings. This feature is beneficial when transporting injured or aging pets who may have difficulty turning around in a tight space, as they can enter from one side and exit from the other. The spacious interior and high weight-bearing ability make this pet stroller suitable for pushing one large dog or multiple smaller pets together in one stroller. All door openings feature quick lock-on-lock systems and zipper-free button entry. Pets enjoy excellent visibility via panoramic windows and sunroof-style opening that allows them to stick their head out. The wheels and handle are designed for the best maneuverability possible with large 11-inch back wheels and brakes, swiveling 6.25-inch front wheels, and a sturdy, adjustable handlebar. Number 3. Petgear No Zip Jogger Pet Stroller. For active pet parents who plan to go jogging with their doggy, the Petgear No Zip Jogger Pet Stroller is where it's at. The 3-wheel design, airless 12-inch gel-filled tires, and ergonomic handle are the standout features that make it the pet stroller for joggers. In addition, it includes a removable liner and large storage basket, 600 denier water-resistant material, and a one-hand quick fold mechanism. Essentially, it's perfect for those seeking rougher terrains and a pet stroller with excellent stability that's easy to clean and has virtually zero chance of a flat tire. This jogger-style pet stroller is suitable for carrying dogs up to 70 pounds, and is especially great for dogs who are extra sensitive to jerks and jolts. Even on typical hard surfaces, it offers a gentler ride appreciated by older or injured dogs. The front opening and zipper entry also makes it a cinch to load and unload small to medium dogs. Number 4. Petgear No Zip Double Pet Stroller. Mini pooch parents have numerous dogs or cats, and need a pet stroller that isn't bulky, but can efficiently carry more than one pet. Petgear has come out with an excellent option, a double stroller for pets. It has significantly larger interior dimensions than most pet strollers, and has double the weight capacity. Yet it remains lightweight, 32 pounds, enough to be manageable. The Petgear No Zip Double Pet Stroller boasts 7.5 inches of extra width, and can hold up to 90 pounds. It also includes 3 12-inch air ride tires made with gel filling that make it impossible to get a flat tire. Plus, the no-zip technology makes putting pets in and out hassle-free. The weather top keeps furry friends dry, and the plush bolster pad is comfy and easy to remove for cleaning. The undercarriage basket is ideal for carrying water bowls, a pet bag, or personal items. In addition, this double pet stroller features a quick fold mechanism, a padded ergonomic handle, and 600 denier water-resistant material. Number 5. Paws and Pals 3-Wheeler Elite Jogger Pet Stroller. If you're looking for a cheap pet stroller that doesn't skimp on features, the Paws and Pals 3-Wheeler Elite Jogger Pet Stroller is the front-runner. It comes in well under $100, is designed for jogging, and is one of the best space-saving foldable pet strollers on Amazon. The stroller frame folds down with the push of a button, and compresses to 32x17x11 inches. The carrier folds separately at 21x14x19 inches. In addition, the pet stroller is lightweight and crafted from metal and high-quality polyester. It also features an adjustable canopy that can be pushed away from the head entirely for a fresh air convertible mode. When closed, it has panoramic breathable mesh windows. Other perks include a large undercarriage basket, zippered front and back openings, 3 all-terrain wheels with shock absorbers, leash clips, a cushion pad, and a pull bar. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.